What if you could capture stunning, professional quality photos without carrying a bulky camera bag? In 2026, compact cameras are making a serious comeback, packing powerful sensors, insane zoom, and pro-level video features into bodies small enough to fit in your pocket. They're perfect for travel, street photography, and even content creation on the go. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best compact cameras of 2026, breaking down the models that truly deliver in image quality, portability, and real-world performance. Whether you're a beginner, traveler, or creator looking for a powerful everyday camera, this list will help you find the perfect fit. Let's get started, because the best camera might just be the one that fits in your pocket. Number 5. Leica Q3. Meet the Leica Q3, a camera that doesn't just capture images, it captures a feeling. Built with Leica's signature craftsmanship, it blends timeless design with cutting-edge performance, making it one of the most refined compact cameras ever created. The moment you hold it, you realize this isn't just gear, it's an experience. At its heart is a stunning 60-megapixel full-frame sensor paired with a fixed 28mm f1.7 Sunilux lens, delivering incredible detail, depth, and that unmistakable Leica look. Whether you're shooting street photography, travel, or everyday life, every frame feels rich, cinematic, and alive. What truly sets the Q3 apart is its simplicity. No lens swapping, no distractions, just pure focus on composition and storytelling. With 8K video, fast hybrid autofocus, and a new tilting screen, it brings modern versatility into a beautifully minimal form. The Leica Q3 isn't just about specs, it's about slowing down, seeing differently, and creating images that feel timeless. Number 4. Panasonic ZS-99. Meet the Panasonic ZS-99, a pocket-sized powerhouse built for creators who want versatility without carrying heavy gear. Designed especially for travel and everyday storytelling, this compact camera packs an incredible 30x optical zoom into a body that literally fits in your hand. From wide landscapes to distant details, it lets you capture everything without ever changing lenses. At its core is a 20-megapixel sensor paired with a 24 to 720mm Leica lens, delivering sharp, vibrant images and surprisingly strong reach for such a small camera. Whether you're exploring a city or filming on the go, its 4K video and built-in stabilization ensure your shots stay smooth and cinematic. What truly makes the ZS-99 stand out is its simplicity. Flip up the screen, frame your shot, and start creating. No complicated setup needed. It's not about being the most advanced camera, it's about being ready, anytime, anywhere, so you never miss a moment worth capturing. Number 3. Sony RX100-7. Meet the Sony RX100-7. A compact camera that delivers professional power in a truly pocket-sized body. It's built for creators who want speed, versatility, and stunning quality without carrying bulky gear. From the moment you start shooting, it feels incredibly responsive, capturing sharp, vibrant images and cinematic 4K video wherever you go. What makes it stand out is its unmatched performance in such a small form. With a versatile 24-200mm zoom lens, you can shoot everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects without changing lenses. Its lightning-fast autofocus locks onto your subject in just 0.02 seconds, while real-time tracking and eye autofocus keep everything perfectly sharp, even in fast-moving scenes. And when it comes to speed, the RX100 VII doesn't hold back. With blackout-free shooting up to 20 frames per second, you'll never miss a moment. But beyond the specs, this camera is about freedom, giving you the ability to shoot anything, anywhere, with confidence and professional-level results in your pocket. Number 2. Ricoh GR3. Meet the Ricoh GR3, a camera that proves you don't need size to create something powerful. Designed for photographers who value simplicity and spontaneity, it's one of the smallest cameras to feature a large APS-C sensor, delivering stunning image quality in a truly pocketable form. At its core is a 24.2 megapixel sensor paired with a sharp 28mm f2.8 lens, producing crisp, detailed images with beautiful contrast and natural colors. Whether you're walking through busy streets or capturing quiet everyday moments, it's built to react instantly with fast startup and responsive autofocus that helps you never miss a shot. What truly makes the GR3 special is its philosophy. No bulky lenses, no distractions, just pure photography. It encourages you to focus on timing, composition, and storytelling. It's not for everyone, but for those who appreciate minimalism and want a camera they can carry everywhere, the GR3 becomes more than just a tool. It becomes part of how you see the world. Number 1. Fujifilm X100 VI. Meet the Fujifilm X100 VI, a compact powerhouse that blends classic style with modern imaging performance, made for photographers who want breathtaking quality without the fuss of interchangeable lenses. This camera packs a 40.2 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor and Fujifilm's fast X Processor 5 into a sleek, pocketable body, delivering rich detail, vibrant colors, and beautiful tonality straight out of the camera. The fixed 23mm f2 lens, 35mm equivalent, offers sharp edge-to-edge clarity, while advanced autofocus, powered by AI-based subject detection, makes tracking people and scenes easier than ever. Its in-body image stabilization, IBIS, gives up to 6 stops of shake reduction, so your shots stay steady in low light or on the move. Beyond stills, the X100 VI captures 6.2K and 4K video with versatile frame rates and gorgeous color science thanks to Fujifilm's famous film simulation modes. In short, the X100 VI isn't just a camera, it's a creative companion that inspires you to slow down, see more, and shoot with intention.